Okay, this is a quick tutorial, one of two today, based upon questions I've been asked over the weekend. So this first one is to do with drawing treads for a stage platform, which don't really conform to the building regulations because we tend to use them a bit steeper and differently constructed to buildings. So now I normally work in the Spotlight tool space, so you can see up here it says Spotlight, and the Stair tool within the building shell here is the simple stair. And if I go to the preferences, it gives me some options. I can specify the tread height and tread depth, things like that, but I can't specify the rise over run kind of thing. That I know how high the platform needs to be, and I know how much clearance I've got, but I don't know the number of steps. I don't know the riser height and all that. I want to find that out, and I can't do that within the simple stair tool. It won't let me. So it may not be obvious, but if I change my workspace to Architect, this time the stair tool in the Architect tool space is a much more powerful stair tool. This time when I click it and I go to the options, I get a completely different, much more in-depth control here. So now we can see that within the general I've got a rise and a run options here. Now there's a little tick box here which may be on, which uses minimum maximum values, which is telling me that I can't have the numbers that I've already put in. So again, what we normally have to do for theatre is untick this, because we're not using building controls, and you've got the option to go in and edit UK and US style building control things. So I'm going to, I know my platform that I need to build these treads to is 2750, and I know the length, the wattline length here is 1700. So I can just put those in, and then it's telling me the tread depth and the riser height. So I've pretty much done that now. I want to get rid of the railings because I'm not going to use railings like this. So if I go to the railings tab here, I've got the little tick on both sides, and I go to the guardrail and unclick guardrail, you can see that in the little isometric view there, the guardrail's gone. So that's done as well. And I may want to change the construction. Again, probably more used to building stringer outside construction here. So if I go back to look at my treads again, I can see that I've got a tread depth, a riser height, an angle of 56.6 degrees, and the rise over the run as I specified. And so there it is. Just check all that's okay. It's all fine. If I go to an isometric view, I can see my set of treads, and I can take some building drawings from that. Hope that helps. And I've got another tutorial to do in a minute. See you in a second.